Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Here is another book review from mmpbooks.biz. This time it's the Republic P-47B-D Razorback by Robert Budzik. MMP Books or Mushroom Model Publications prides themselves on producing books by scale modelers for scale modelers like you and I. This book features a famous American fighter aircraft from World War II, the Republic P-47 Thunderbolt. It is one of the largest and heaviest fighter aircraft to be powered by a single piston engine. This book has 136 pages, fully illustrated, of the early Razorback versions of the Thunderbolt. All versions are covered from the P-47B to the P-47D-22. Also the Mk1 Thunderbolt deliveries. Also Razorbacks in the Soviet Union, and how the P-47 aircraft compares with other aircraft. Technical description of the P-47D-21, complete with cockpit photos and color illustrations. The armament and external stores are found here too. This book features scale plans in 1/72nd scale, photographs and original drawings from the technical and flight manuals. Also superb color illustrations of camouflage and markings. Contained within this book are modern walk-around color photographs and black and white historic photographs. As you can see as I turn the pages of this book, the photographs are large, sharp, and clear. Many illustrations from the flight manuals are provided. Robert really did his homework here as he gives description for each photograph. Very nice photographs of the cockpit interior and instrument panels, along with a very nice illustration of the instrument panel with a description of all the instruments provided. This is perfect for the scale modeler to get all their references correct. This is a rarely documented aspect of World War II and post-war aviation history. It's essential reading and reference for the aviation enthusiast and aircraft scale modelers. I highly recommend this book. You can purchase this book from mmpbooks.biz. I will put a link in the description below to purchase this book, and I have posted preview photographs of this book on my blogger. The link will be below. I would like to thank Robert from MMP Books for sending me this hardbound book sample. To receive updates on my latest videos, please click on the bell to receive notifications from YouTube. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Happy modeling, everybody.